Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. IBM company hiring for the fresher candidates. They are conducting an off-campus national qualifier drive for the batch 2019, 2020 and 2021, and these registrations will be closed on 25th of November. So till 25th of November you can apply for this IBM off-campus drive. So in eligibility criteria, what they have mentioned that BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech and MSc candidates are allowed with minimum 60% or 6 CGPA and no active backlogs. And graduation year should be 2019, 2020 and 2021. And branches are allowed CS, IT, then robotics, then information science, then electronics, electrical, and all the other mentioned branches, those are allowed. Even maths and computing branches are allowed. So you need to follow these steps to register. Step 1 will be apply for this role. You need to click on this link first. I have already opened this link. So your designation will be associate system engineer. So what basically a software developer or what basically a software engineer do, so the same thing you need to do here. Don't worry, in the initial days they will provide you the training. So first of all you need to apply from here. Okay, so once you apply from here, so as I already told you, your position will be associate system engineer, and you can if you scroll down you can see the profile description, basically what you will do. So defining, analyzing and reviewing technical architecture on required platform and coming up with the architecture options and recommendations, then demonstrating strong knowledge of enterprise issues related to IT architecture, then defining, detailing and scoping the technical requirements into solution architecture, and ability to drive an independent project. So as I already told you that they will provide you the training for the fresher candidates, so no worry. So yeah, basically design, development, testing, deployment, verification, all these tasks will be included. Okay, next step is note the candidate reference number which is emailed to you. There will be a candidate reference number. Once you apply for this drive, once you apply from here, let me scroll up. Once you apply from here, you will get your candidate reference number on your mail ID. You need to note down that candidate reference number for the further communication. Okay, and step 3 is fill this form to complete the registration. Let me open this link in the new tab. So you need to finish your registration. Okay, to finish your registration you need to fill this form. So you can see here IBM Consulting off campus drive, and you need to click on this register button to finish your registration. So here you need to give first name, your last name, your personal email ID. Please give your mail ID correct, so that further communication will be done via only your mail, through mail. So your gender, then what region are you located in, how did you hear about this opportunity. You can select like social platform, otherwise IBM career website. So IBM candidate reference number, you will receive it on your register mail ID post completion of registration on IBM career portal. So once you apply from here, then you will get candidate reference number on your mail ID. You need to copy that reference number and paste here. Okay, then IBM job ID, IBM job ID you will get here. This is the IBM job ID. You can copy this number and paste it here. Then highest qualification, then highest qualification degree, then branch, then CGPA or percentage. Do not put percentage or CGPA symbol, percentage symbol. You can directly enter numeric value here. Give your college name, your college state, your university name, your 12th standard percentage or CGPA, then your diploma percentage or CGPA. Suppose if you have done only 12th standard, and not completed diploma, then you can write as not applicable, like this. Not Then 10th registration number, 10th standard percentage or CGPA. If you have any active backlogs, then do you have any work experience excluding internship? Then are you certified or trained on any of the below mentioned skills? So if yes, then you can select. And suppose if uh, suppose if I am certified candidate for the cloud computing, then you need to upload the certificate for this. You need to select file here and you need to upload for the certificate for cloud computing. So if you have not done anything, then you can select uh, that you have, like you can select others. Okay, so then you need to agree the terms and conditions and submit this form. Okay, so in this way you can complete the other remaining registration process. So once you fill this form, this is the last process. Once you fill this form, then your IBM registration is successfully completed. That means you have successfully applied for the IBM off campus drive. So as I mentioned earlier, please apply from here first. Okay, first when you apply, you will get your candidate reference number on your registered mail ID, and you need to copy that candidate reference number and paste it here. Okay, so in this way you can apply for this off campus drive. And I have already mentioned the eligibility criteria. If you want to see, then you can stop or pause this video and read this criteria, and please apply for this off campus drive. And thanks for watching this video.